So this is a 2013 Buick Verano, and the windshield wipers need to be replaced. And a lot of them are really simple to do, but this car was not. So this video will help you replace these windshield wipers. So these are Rain-X Latitudes. They come with a bunch of different kinds of connectors in them. But this is what you're going to get out of the box. Looks like this. And here's how you got to take this thing apart in order for this to work. You got to open up this clip. Then you have to pull this little thing back and then pop this cover off. It slides right off like that. That's how you have to prepare that. Okay, this is what the end of it looks like. It's a little different than a lot of windshield wipers where it just hooks on. Make sure that you don't ever let this go and hit the windshield, because it'll break your window. So this slips on pretty easily once you know the trick. You go under the portion right there and you just bring it back until you hear it click in. Make sure it's all closed and it's fully connected, nice and tight, and that's it. It's actually pretty simple once you know the trick. That's it.